In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new client to your system. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to make sure your client information is clean, consistent, and ready for your team to use. Before we start, make sure you're signed in and that your account has permission to manage clients. If your workspace supports multiple teams or locations, confirm you're in the correct one so new records end up in the right place. First, open your dashboard and look for the Client section. This is usually easy to spot in the main navigation, often on the left sidebar or at the top of the screen. If your menu is collapsed into icons, hover to expand it and select Clients. Opening this area shows your existing client list and tools for managing profiles. If you filter or search is active from a previous session, it won't affect adding a new client, but it's good to know what you're looking at. Next, choose New Client. You'll typically find this as a prominent button, often at the top right of the client list. Clicking it opens a clean form where you can add the essential details. If you see additional fields, don't worry. Today we're focusing only on the core information needed to create a record. Now enter the client details. Start with the name. Use a clear, consistent format that matches how your team identifies clients. This could be a person's full name or a business name. Consistency helps with searching later. For the email, type a valid address and double-check for typos, especially in the domain. If your system flags duplicates, a quick review can prevent creating multiple records for the same contact. For the phone number, include the country code if your clients are international, and stick to a standard format used by your organization. Avoid extra characters unless your system formats them automatically. As a best practice, only store contact information you have permission to use and keep it accurate to support communication and compliance. When everything looks correct, click Save. The system will create the profile and return you to the client area. You should now see the new client appear in your list, often with a confirmation message at the top of the screen. If the form highlights any fields, review the message, correct the entry, and save again. That's it. You clicked Clients, selected New Client, entered the name, email, and phone number, and saved your work. Keep your entries consistent, verify spelling before saving, and you'll maintain a clean, reliable client database every time.